I'm trying to decide if this is an input device or an output device. What do you think? Look carefully. Okay, this week we're talking about hardware, software, and file management in Windows 7. Okay, so we're talking hardware, the functions of hardware: input, output, processing, and storage. Okay, input, our microphones, our mouse, our keyboard. We are sending information to memory on our computer with input devices. Output of our webcam, not using the webcam right now, right? Output devices are devices that display or send the information out to the user. So I have my headset, right? Input, microphone, output, headset. I have my monitors. We've got speakers on our computer, printers that are outputting information to us. So input, output, processing. So the CPU on our computer, the processor on our computer, that's a piece of hardware. And you'll see pictures of that this week. I think I've included a video where you'll actually see him installing the processor in the computer. Input, output, processing, and storage. So with storage, you have the memory, right? So you've got RAM on your computer. That's the quick access memory, the stuff that's being used right now by the programs that the machine is using right now. And then you've got your hard drive. So you've got storage, the files and documents and images and everything that's stored on your computer now, that's saved on your computer, but that's not getting used, right? So I like the analogy in the video this week of the closet for RAM, the quick access storage, versus the basement, which is it's harder to access, takes longer to access, and that would be our storage of the hard drive. So input, output, processing, and storage are features of our hardware. And then we're going to look at software. Software is our two kinds of software. So we've got application software. Think of the application software as the programs that are used to do what we need to do with the computer. So we've already installed VMware. That's application software that allows us to connect with the MiraCosta computer labs, right? Application software we're going to be using is all the Windows, the Microsoft Office suite. So we'll be using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. Those are all application software. Let's think in terms of system software, the other kind of software, system software. Any idea what that might be? System software is what talks to device drivers that allow our input devices and output devices to communicate with our machines. So system software, I think Windows 7. That's what we're using this semester. Windows 8, Windows 10. That's all system software. It's the operating system on our computer that makes our computer interface, allows our computer to interface with us, the user, so that the software, the application software, does what we need it to do, right? So you might have also heard of Linux. Linux is another system software. Of course, Mac OS is another operating system, another system software. Okay, so with software, you have application software, you've got system software. We're going to use this week, we're using both, but we're going to be using system software, file management in our Windows 7 operating system. We're going to be manipulating files, copying, renaming, deleting, and moving files in our file management project this week. What else was I going to tell you? I know I'm forgetting something. Oh, the other thing we're going to be learning this week is how to take screenshots, because you're going to submit to me screenshots, pictures of your computer screen that show me you've completed that file management project. Okay? Hardware, software, and file management. Enjoy this week. And think of all these devices, all these hardware devices that we're surrounded by.